Hey there, Pulte fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are showcasing the Prestige floor plan by Pulte Homes. This particular floor plan is found here at Verdana Village in Estero, Florida. The Prestige is a home starting with 2 bedrooms or more, a little over 2,000 square foot. There are some different structural configurations that you can make with this home to add a bedroom and so on and so forth. But let's walk inside and take a look at this awesome floor plan by Pulte. As we walk inside the front door and entry space, directly to the right side is going to be your first guest bedroom, shown here with an ensuite configuration. So this bedroom here has its own bath, and then you've got the closet walk-in style right here in the bathroom. Coming off the first guest bedroom here in the main hallway, to the right is going to be the den setup here. Really nice space here. And then directly behind us, this hallway here is going to have your half bath. It's going to have your entry to your garage right here. Nice little mudroom type of setup here, and then that leads into your indoor laundry space here with the utility sink and additional cabinets for storage. Now coming out to the main area, you've got a nice storage closet here, and this all opens up here into the great room and kitchen area. It's a really nice open kitchen space here. Huge walk-in style pantry. You've got your wall oven and microwave, beautiful countertops. You've got your dining room right off your kitchen here with the triple sliders leading you out to your pool area. And again, your nice open great room design here from the kitchen. And then last but not least, on the interior, we have the master suite here. So on the right side, you've got your bedroom space here with the windows overlooking your views. Got a nice walk-in style closet. And then you've got your master bath here. Huge shower. You've got your dual sinks, your private enclosed water closet here, and then your second master closet here. Now, one of the fun things about this home is notice this little pathway here, the Alice in Wonderland door, where you open this up, and that puts you right into your laundry room here, so you can take your dirty clothes and just toss them right into the laundry space. Really neat type of setup there. Last but not least, we have the outdoor living space on this home. So you've got a nice under truss space here. And this home shown with a pool and spa package. And lots of outdoor living space. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this floor plan, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. We'd be happy to help you find your little piece of paradise here in Florida. My name is Roberto Lee for Pinnacle Property Group, and we appreciate you watching.